What's up, everybody? Today I decided to refinish the windshield on this UTV for like the 5th time. It is better. I wouldn't say it's great. To be honest with you, this windshield's a piece of crap. It obviously doesn't have a scratch-proof finish on it. So every time I take it out, it seems like it's back to the same scratched up windshield that I started with. So in any case, this time, instead of doing it by hand, which I've done the last 4 times, I decided to go nuclear and took the buffer to it. Here's the product I'm using. I actually shot this video not too long ago, and I did it all by hand. But in any case, I'll kind of retouch on it. I use Novus products to do this. And then, like I say, this time I'm using a power waxer. And this is the finished product. So obviously, I don't know if you can see, it is a lot better than it was. But yeah, if I come on the inside, you can see, you know, here there's some scratches. Here. Anyway, so it's not perfect, but I'll tell you what, it is a lot better than when I started. So in any case, I've kind of made a mess for myself here on the machine, as you can see. So hopefully that washes off without too much resistance. And then yeah, hopefully it should be ready for another adventure. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. So we'll see you later.